Hey everyone, I got some good news. Optisolex saw that I was going to be doing a seminar at the Snowbird RV Show and Sale here in Abbotsford on September 18th to the 21st. They were excited that I was going to be doing a public presentation and wanted to contribute a solar bag so we could give it away at the show, and that's what we'll be doing. So MTD Promotions and RVing with Joe are going to work together with Optisolex to give this away. To enter into this contest, all you have to do is show up to my seminar. I'll have some entry forms out, one per person. You don't have to pay to put an entry in, just fill it in, put it in the box, and at the end of the fourth session, I'm going to pull a name out and we're going to give that person one of these 440 watt solar panels. They're really cool. They actually split into two separate 220 watt solar panels. Each side has its own USB hub, so you can plug in USB type A and type C devices straight into there, charge your phones and your drones without having to have any other device. The solar panel will just go directly into your devices. So it's a pretty cool device. I've been using it all through my last camping trip, and I'm hoping one of you folks will get a chance to win it. So make sure you swing by my seminar, fill out the entry, stick around for the seminar. It should be fun. I'll be talking about my life lessons from the road. There'll be some tips, there'll be some best practices and suggestions, things that I feel make my RV life better and might help make your RV life better as well. We'll be talking about things like what's RV life really like, the unwritten rules of campground culture, staying safe and sane on the road, building a travel rhythm, and more. That's right. Come check out the seminar. I'm sure you'll find it enjoyable. Again, it's in Abbotsford at the Tradex on September 18th to 21st. I'll put a link in the description. There is a bit of a line sometimes to get tickets, so you probably want to buy your tickets in advance. It'll be a lot easier for you. And again, here are the times where I'll be speaking, so make sure you drop in during one of these times to fill out an entry form. And stick around after the session to say hi. At the very end, I'll be doing a Q&A for the group. And then after the session, I'll be sticking around to do one-on-one sessions with whoever wants to talk. The show is going to be awesome. I'm excited. So come on down to the 30th anniversary of the Abbotsford Snowbird RV Show and Sale. I'll be there, and I hope to see you there. Always remember, get busy living.